Lucy, pabili.
Ano?
This Filipino went to the store to buy something. After buying, he accidentally left his wallet at the store. He returned and asked the seller about his wallet, but what happened next was so unexpected and hilarious that it left everyone laughing. But before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss the next story.
Lucy, pabili.
Ano?
Okay, tsaka suka. Magkano yan?
55.
55. Ano, okay? Papaksiw ko yan eh.
Kaulo ka ba, Monay? Paano pa ipapaksiwan? Eh, timplado na yan.
Gusto kasi. Sige, Lucy, thank you ah.
Ay, naiwan ni Monay pitaka niya. Mukhang madaming laman ah.
A few moments later.
Ate Lucy,
Oh,
napansin mo ba yung wallet ko?
abe hindi. Wala akong napansin.
Ano napunta yun? Dito lang ako gaan sa kanto, tapos dito lang naman sa tindahan mo. Eh, yaman na, 20 lang na may laman nun.
Eh, ayun ah.
Ay, hiri pala, buti na lang. Ano, kala ko nawala na. 20 pa na may laman ito. 20 mil. Sige, Ate Lucy, thank you ah.